Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And in this video I will show you guys how I've grown my hair in a protective style. This is my 1 month old braid and this is what it looks like after 1 month. So I'm going to show you guys how I grew my hair, or how I grow my hair using rice water. So the first thing is you need rice. You don't need any particular amount of rice. I used 1 cup of rice here and I just poured the rice into my container and washed it out the first time to remove all the dirt. For this, you can use any type of rice you have at home, any type of rice you have at all, and the measurement doesn't really matter. You can use rice according to the quantity you have at home. I try to use 1 cup because I'm going to use the rice later on after making this rice water. For water, you can use any amount of water you want to use. This water right now is what I'm going to use to wash this rice first, just to remove all the dirt and everything in the rice. Then after this, you can go ahead and pour in as much water as you want. If you want the rice to be very concentrated, you can pour in little water, but if you want it less concentrated, you can put more water. So just go ahead and do as you're seeing in this video. So this is the rice after it is properly washed. So the next thing to do is to go ahead and find a bottle or any jar you can use to store the rice. I decided to use this glass jar because I didn't think it was okay for me to use a rubber container to do this. I don't know if you can do that. So I just poured in a little amount of rice into this container and I'm going to fill it up with water. So I just added water and I'm trying to mix it up a little bit. So later on in this video, you're going to see that I added in more rice. I added extra rice and more water to fill up the container, just because I needed a lot of rice water for me and my sister. After that, you can let this sit from 24 hours to 1 week. I allowed mine to sit for 48 hours and this is what it looks like. As you can see, the container is so full. It was not like this when I kept it. I think the rice has soaked up with the water and this is what it looked like when I brought it out. So now the next thing I'm going to do is to filter the rice and remove the water from it. So guys, later on I'm going to show you guys what you can do with this rice after extracting the rice water from it. You don't have to throw it away. You can actually use this very nicely to do something else. So this is it after pouring it out. This is the rice water. I added a little bit of peppermint oil into this bottle and I'm going to show you guys my application process and how I apply it. Now this is the leftover rice. I'm going to leave this rice and in my next video I will show you guys what I did with this rice. So you can use this rice to do a hair mask, you can use it to do a keratin hair mask, and I promise you guys it is so nice. You can use it to detangle your hair because of its slimy nature and everything. I'm going to show you guys how to do it in my next video, so make sure you turn your notification on for that video. And now this is what my 1 month braid looks like. As you can see, it is looking way grown compared to the last video that I made. You can barely see my scalp. And I'm just going to show you guys how I apply this rice water to my hair, why it is on cornrows, why it is on braids. So I'm going to keep quiet right now and allow you guys to watch me do it.
She stands on the sideline, dances slow and looks at me. She must be the sunlight, shines a little more tonight. I know I try to make her mine, but at the same time, I know love is hard to find. you are so hard to find.
So guys, this is basically how I grow my hair. This is how I've been growing my hair, because I don't leave my hair out. I normally braid my hair or put on a protective style or fix my hair, and that is how I've been able to grow my relaxed hair all these years. So guys, if you want to grow your hair properly, or if you feel your hair is not growing, try braiding your hair and leave your hair in cornrows for a month or 3 weeks or 2 weeks. Try this for at least 2 or 3 months and see if your hair is going to grow or not. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.